it's your girl Rina back at it again with another video. This is totally different for me today because I will be doing a mukbang of Domino's. So I have a steak and cheese with no mushroom sandwich. I have a chicken alfredo pasta, and I also have a steak and pineapples barbecue sauce pizza. Got my Arizona, a little bit of honey. So I'm just gonna talk. Okay, where's my hair looking? Look, I don't know what's going on with it today. Something going on with it. I don't know what it is, but I'm gonna start with the pizza or whatever. So y'all, and y'all gonna hear my dog bark because he's real petty and he loves to bark for some odd reason. I just don't know why, you know. Excuse me, I was parched. But for some reason, I don't know why he. Hey, bud. Come. Say hi to the people. Okay. Everybody, this is Fluffy. This is the greedy monster. Clearly, he's trying to see, he's licking his lips. Hello, my name is Fluffy. He is my 7.5-year-old Shih Tzu. I've had him since he was a baby. And this is me and Tre's son. It smells so good. Okay, put you down. And that's Fluffy. That's the one who will be barking at me for food. He's greedy. And he's very bougie. Hence, not bougie, but bougie. So, I am going to... It's missing 2 slices because I gave Tre 2 slices for lunch. But it looks so good. And I don't know, y'all, but I mean, I'm going to drizzle it with some honey because I don't know why. Me and honey just, whew. Me and honey just mix. Okay. So, and there he goes. Boy. No, be quiet. You embarrassing me in front of the YouTube subscribers. I have an obsession with pineapples on pizza. I should have went to go get my ranch and banana peppers. They be good on pizza too. All right, Fluff, I'm gonna give you some. Good job. So now that he's eating the crust that I don't usually eat, okay. I mean, I do, but it depends. If he's doing too much, I'm gonna just get him whatever. With y'all. So good. Anyways, y'all, so I'm always going to this Domino's. This be so good. So if y'all didn't know, I live in Maryland. But I ain't gonna tell y'all where to shop, you know. Y'all, I'm gonna just tell you guys this now. That you ain't getting no juice. I'm gonna just tell y'all this now that TRS is going to start putting out more content. We're gonna try to aim for at least 10 videos a month. I know 10 sounds like it's a lot, but it's really not if you think about it. Like today, I'm probably gonna end up doing like 3 videos today. It really depends on how I feel, but I try not to do the same thing that every other YouTuber does because I feel like it's just repetitive. And I feel like nobody's being really original. So that's why I take my time to plan out what I really want to do. And I think that right now, in this day and age, if y'all ain't know me, this is my crack, y'all. I don't do drugs, but this right here, this my crack. I am an addict for Arizona green tea with ginseng. Trey can tell y'all, but he not here, he at work. Was it good? Anyways, so y'all, I want to start doing like ASMRs. Don't fix your lips to say nothing. I got some cheddar fries. No, I love to eat. Okay. Fluffy loves cheddar fries too. Y'all hear him crashing? See some fatties together. We are some fat people together, okay? Y'all, I'm trying to tell you guys that trying to be an entrepreneur, trying to get back to school for the upcoming semester, trying to do YouTube, working. It's a lot on my plate. But I just try to keep it moving because I know that money ain't gonna chase itself. And I'm trying to secure a future for me and my family. And this hair is just really not trying to cooperate today. Well, I got conditioner in it, y'all, so I'm about to go back to using the stuff I used to use when I was little, like BO5 and stuff like that. Because I feel like the cheap stuff really be working. And the expensive stuff is just expensive for no reason, just because of name. So, I know you ain't finished them cheddar fries that quick. It's so abusive. I swear he eat like a, I don't know. Well, I was getting ready to say he eat like a dog. And he is a dog. You ain't about to bark at me. I'm a good parent. I feeds my child. See, and that's all you getting. Make it last. Savor the flavor. But yeah, y'all, I'm just so excited to be doing YouTube and trying to put out more content. I'm trying to really express myself for the world because I'm so cooped up in a little bottle sometimes. And I don't like really expressing myself as much, but I think being on this platform will really take it to a whole nother level. Like, y'all, I got papers and work and printed off and written off of stuff that I want to do, stuff that y'all know, things that I really want to get myself into. I'm just trying to savor this flavor because it's so good. No. Sit. Sit. Good boy. He is just so... He's so bossy. You bossy. You need to wait. I try to give him the part of the pizza that don't have a lot of sauce and stuff on it. That way it don't run right through him. Y'all, I really want to do some more mukbangs. I think I want to do a seafood boil. I love seafood. I love crawfish. I love whole body blue crabs. They bomb. I love shrimp. And sausage and potatoes. All of that. The Cajunness. That's all you're getting. I'm going to save the flavor for the rest. Now, about to partake in. And honestly, this Pizza Hut that Domino's that I have been going to is really, look at this little thing they gave me. But this Domino's that I have been going to, it really is the bomb.com. Like, the dude know me. He be like, what's that, Rina? Stuff like that. But I'm gonna need y'all to hit that subscribe button if y'all love Domino's. Hit that like button if y'all like Domino's. This missing some Creole seasoning. You definitely not about to get this. I don't even know why. I can never eat in peace. Because all he want to do is do that. Thumbs up if you guys like Fluffy. In this vlog, y'all want to see more of him. In this video. Y'all think I should do a meet my Shih Tzu? I think I want to do one. Show y'all his everyday life. Because he don't have a life. All he do is sleep, eat, bark, like that. And you get on your nerves, want to play. But anyways, y'all, this mukbang is something serious because I'm full already. I know a lot of people be saying, how do I get full so fast? It's because, like, I don't try to overly stuff my face. I don't try to stuff my face so much because when I do that, my stomach likes to really get huge. And I don't got time for that. I'm gonna do big, okay? My bad, y'all. Alright, Fluff, ain't no more food. I'm not eating no more. What you still barking for? Say now, come here. Okay, say hi to the camera. The camera's there. See? Look right there. This is what he does, y'all, on a day-to-day basis. He just loves to get in my face and eat and bark and... Fluffy is so bougie. Fluffy, you bougie. So, you guys, I'm gonna just spill some tea. Okay, it's tea time. So, I am thinking about doing a lot of different videos. It's so much on this list. Like, this list is like damn near 7 pages long, okay? And of different ideas that I want to do. I'm not going to spill all the tea because some people be trying to steal. Oh, and I have a lot of different mukbangs that I want to do. I want to do some Q's and A's, so I really need you guys' help to tell me what kind of Q and A you guys would want me to do. Together, we have no idea yet, but we have been so busy, like with Sharp Eye Productions, which is his his business, and I am his manager for that. So if you guys want any like videography, graphic designs, photography, a lot of multimedia stuff, just hit us up. I will put his channel in the link below. So, Fluff, you got anything else to say? No? Okay. Well, he doesn't have anything else to say. Anyways, y'all. So y'all, want y'all to go to the link below. And definitely subscribe to Curly Head Vibes. I had to think of her name. Go subscribe to Curly Head Vibes because she's the one that has been doing that has done our new intro. If you guys haven't already seen that video, it's in the link below. Okay. I need y'all to check out this new intro. Check out our latest videos. I know we have so many videos that's been coming out. It's been back to back. But just keep expecting back to back videos because at this point, we're trying to take this to a whole nother level. So let's try to get this video up to like 5K thumbs up. Share this video. Tell your friends about it. Try not to eat so much when y'all be doing these mukbang, because I don't want y'all to get sick. I'm not trying to get sick. That's why I stopped after a while, because I'm not going to keep eating and eating and eating, because my stomach is little and I don't want to like overfill it and then become a glutton. So with that being said, y'all, I'm Rina from TRS2K16 signing out, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, TRS fam. See ya.